Daylight, my MVVs, welcome. You cannot be working for me. You cannot be working for me. What work are you doing for me? You're talking about. What work are you even talking about? In the last 3 years, how much money have you brought into the royal coffers? How much? Tell everybody how much money have you brought into the royal coffers. You think because I don't talk, I don't have access to this information. Ebony, what you have brought into the royal coffers in the last 3 years is 4.5 million. Part of the payment that Price Waterhouse, paid you for a consultancy, as a consultancy fee for an audit that you did for them. 4.5 million naira, that is what you have brought in. Rather, you have been living on, what every other person is laboring in the palace. Go and ask Kabiesi. Go and ask Bloblo who is talking to you. Go and ask Dr. Safaya how much is coming from me to the royal coffers. Ask them. Yes, ask them. You see, what you see there may not bear my name, but it's coming from me. From my gold mine. From my oil company. Yes, it is coming from me. So none of you should open your mouth and say you cannot continue to work for me. You cannot continue to labor for me. You're not laboring for me. You're laboring for yourself. If there is anybody who is laboring, it is me, not you. People who are even bringing in money, they don't say a word. And today you say, I am selfish because the great lion is giving me everything. Go and ask Kabiesi how much money that I make, as in from what belongs to me, how much, me, go and ask Kabiesi. Ask them, ask Bloblo, ask Dr. Safaya, go and ask them. I have been keeping quiet. The fact that I keep quiet does not mean that I do not know what to say, okay? The fact that I keep quiet does not mean I do not know what to say. So don't let me say what I shouldn't be saying. And just shut your mouth up and face your people and leave me alone. They say the jewel blasted Ebony. Now, what is going on? Still about the gold mine, Canada house and all of that. You know that when this whole thing started again with the estate in Canada, Ikpe was very angry. Ikpe had expected part of it to be given to her and all of that. And when the thing got out of hand, the Great Lion could not hide it again. The Great Lion said, your informant did not even tell you the truth. They didn't tell you that that estate was bought for Prince T. Maybe that's the information they ought to have given to you that they did not give you. So they are not good. You should change them. They don't give you clear information as to what is actually going on. Because if they were that good, they would have told you that that house, that estate was actually bought for Prince T. Okay? Yes, the estate was actually bought for Prince T, the entire estate. There's no way I can change the name. There's no way I can take part of it and give to you. That really offended Ikpe, and that was how the information got to Ebony. Ebony started flying with it, trying to make, started making issues out of it. They went to Paropo and all of that. And that was where the drama of, working for the jewel. Everything that others are gathering, the Great Lion is using it to satisfy the jewel. The Great Lion is using it to buy a love from the jewel, because what the jewel is doing, the jewel is subjecting the Great Lion to buying her love, because the Great Lion feels every time the jewel frowns her face, the Great Lion wants to give her something. Every time the jewel is not ready to travel with the Great Lion to wherever he wants to go to, most times they go to Ibeji, that their place in Lagos, where they go, that their island where they go. Yes, every time the jewel is not ready to go, the Great Lion will be looking for something to give to the jewel. The Great Lion, the jewel is selfish. The jewel is letting the Great Lion buy her love. Blah blah blah. Blue blue blue. When this thing went on, unfortunately, because Onifarakpa had come to the palace, Adetutu needed to be there, and the jewel also needed to be there, and so the jewel was there. That direction was spreading all over the place, and it got to the jewel, and the jewel was very angry. And that was when the jewel started saying that, look, you know that the jewel is a very quiet person, and when she talks in riddles. And she said every day, Others are working, you're eating. Others are working, you're eating. What work have you done in the last 3 years? How much money have you brought into the royal coffers? 4.5 million naira that you were paid by Price Waterhouse accounting firm. Yes, that is the only money that you have brought to the royal coffers. Rather, you have been eating from the royal coffers, and others have been working for you. Go and ask people who keep the record. Ask them. Ask Kabiesi. Let them tell you how much I contribute from my gold mine, from everything. They should tell you. Today you're fighting about this, tomorrow you're fighting about the private jet, next tomorrow you're fighting this, you're fighting because I've been keeping quiet. You think they said Ebony did not know what to say. Ebony could not say. Because the way that Ebony has been carrying on, the things she has been saying, one would quickly thought that or one would quickly think that Ebony has been the one bringing so much money. Meanwhile, when it comes to contribution to the royal coffers, they said Dr. Sapphire comes first, second Blow Blow, and then Ikpi and Gospel. Ikpi has a lot of money by herself, and she used to, contribute so much. But recently, with all the problem, her challenges, her boy became sick and all of that, she went down the street, the line. Dr. Sapphire contributes so much because she is, an IT personnel. She has apps. What they do, they said every 6 months they are building powerful apps. And you know the kind of money people make from app? Right? And so this is it. They said the jewel blasted Ebony. I mean, blasted Ebony. Ebony didn't know what to say. Apparently, she didn't know that the jewel was privy to that information. She didn't know that the jewel could even say that publicly the way she said it. The jewel was irritated because this whole thing is getting out of hand. The jewel says she's not the one who is asking Kabiesi to do anything for her. Kabiesi is doing for his son, Prince T, and not her. And so anybody who has a problem with that should face Kabiesi and leave her out of it. And that was what the jewel said. That this nonsense is getting out of hand and the nonsense is becoming too much. She is not going to take it again. Anybody who comes to her, she is sure going to go for that person. That she is tired of their back and forth drama every day. Today is one wahala, tomorrow is another wahala, and all of that. And every time they make it look as if she is eating from where she has not sown. Has to stop. She's not going to keep quiet and watch them anymore. Well, this was what happened. If the information is correct, I'm going to bring you more update. Do not forget that these are all alleged, Ramadan verified information making the rounds on social media and should not be seen as fact.